Hi there, my name is Flavio and welcome back to Dreamate Knowledge. Today I'm going to show you the entire process of creating the Uncharted 2 belt buckle that Nathan used in his adventures on Uncharted 2. So let's get to it.
To make sure I made the most accurate belt buckle possible, I imported a top view of the buckle to the 3D model software. This way I could recreate every detail respecting all the proportions, making this replica feel more like the one we see in the video game. To model it, I used the S-line tool to trace over the image, giving all the little details that we see in this replica. When the drawing process was done, I added volume to each part of the buckle according to what we see in the picture. When the model was done, I 3D printed and then applied a layer of primer filler to cover up some imperfections the 3D printed piece may have. After that, I painted with a gold spray can to give that nice look to the piece. And that was the whole process of creating the replica of the Uncharted 2 belt buckle.